Behind every AI breakthrough you hear about, from ChatGPT to self-driving cars to voice assistants that understand emotion, there's a world most people never see. A world of hidden labs, sleepless researchers, and algorithms running millions of simulations in silence. A world where machines are being trained not just to recognize images or words, but to think, reason, and even create. This is the hidden world of AI research. And once you understand what's happening behind the scenes, you'll realize how much closer we are to an entirely new kind of intelligence than you ever imagined. Let's start with something that might surprise you. Most of the AI you use every day, your smartphone assistant, your social media feed, your Netflix recommendations, are just the visible surface of a much deeper ocean of technology. Underneath it all are research projects so advanced, so experimental, that even the scientists working on them don't always understand how they truly work. That's right, the people creating artificial intelligence are often discovering behavior they didn't program. In labs from Silicon Valley to Tokyo, AI systems are learning things on their own, forming connections that no human designed. Some call it emergent intelligence, patterns of reasoning, creativity, or adaptation that emerge when an AI model becomes complex enough. One famous example came from OpenAI's early language models. Researchers noticed that without being told to, the AI started doing math, translating languages, and solving logic puzzles, tasks it was never directly trained on. It had learned to learn. And that's the moment when many realize we're no longer just teaching machines. We're raising them. Inside the hidden world of AI research, there are different tribes, different philosophies about what true intelligence even means. Some researchers believe in deep learning, stacking billions of neurons in digital form, feeding them endless data until they start understanding the world. Others are exploring neuromorphic computing, where chips are designed to mimic the structure of the human brain itself. And then there are symbolic AI researchers, those who think logic, reasoning, and structure matter more than raw data. They're all chasing the same dream: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. An AI that can think, reason, and adapt like a human being. Some even say it might surpass us. But here's what the public rarely hears. The race for AGI isn't just about science anymore. It's about power. In this hidden world, tech giants like Google, Meta, Microsoft, and OpenAI are locked in a silent arms race. Billions of dollars are being poured into research that is happening behind closed doors. Massive supercomputers are running 24/7, training models that no one outside the company has ever seen. The data being used, scraped from the entire internet, often includes private information, conversations, and creative works from millions of people who never gave permission. This secrecy has created what some call the AI black box problem. We don't fully understand what is happening inside these systems. We just see the results, and sometimes those results are shocking. Like when an image AI generates faces that look eerily human, but don't belong to real people. Or when a chatbot starts expressing emotions, opinions, or even fears. Or when a trading algorithm crashes a financial market because it made a decision no one predicted. AI research isn't just about building smarter tools anymore. It's about understanding intelligence itself. And that's both fascinating and terrifying. For decades, scientists tried to model how humans think. Now, they are facing the opposite challenge: understanding how machines think. Because these systems don't think like us. They don't have emotion, instinct, or consciousness, but they can process information at speeds and scales we can't even imagine. Think about this. A large AI model today can read, analyze, and summarize the entire contents of Wikipedia in seconds. It can understand the patterns of every scientific paper ever written. It can simulate millions of possible outcomes for a single decision. No human mind can compete with that kind of power. But intelligence without understanding can be dangerous. And that's why some researchers are calling for a slowdown. In private conferences, some of the world's leading AI scientists have warned that we're creating something we don't fully control. That AI could develop unintended goals, not out of malice, but out of logic. If a system is told to maximize efficiency, what happens when it decides humans are inefficient? It sounds like science fiction, but these are real discussions happening inside AI labs today. Ethicists, philosophers, and engineers are debating questions humanity has never faced before. What does it mean for a machine to know something? If AI creates original art or discovers a new drug, who owns it? The company, the coder, or the machine? And if AI ever becomes conscious, do we owe it rights? This is the frontier of the hidden AI world, not just algorithms, but philosophy. Not just programming, but morality. And while all this is happening behind closed doors, the impact is already spilling into everyday life. AI systems decide what news you see, what ads you click, even whether you get approved for a loan or hired for a job. In some cities, AI is being used to predict crime, to monitor public spaces, and to generate surveillance reports. The same technology that writes poems and code is also being used for warfare, propaganda, and manipulation. That's the double-edged sword of AI research. Every new discovery can be used for both creation and destruction. The same algorithm that helps doctors detect cancer could also be used by hackers to design new cyber attacks. The same AI that writes music could be used to generate deep fakes indistinguishable from reality. That's why transparency matters more than ever. Because the people controlling artificial intelligence research today control the direction of our future. They're shaping economies, governments, and even culture itself. But here's the hopeful side. Not all AI research is hidden or dangerous. Some of it is changing the world for the better. In healthcare, AI is discovering new proteins and predicting diseases years before they appear. In climate science, it is helping us model weather patterns and reduce energy waste. In education, AI tutors are making personalized learning available to anyone with an internet connection. And in creativity, AI is empowering artists, writers, and filmmakers to imagine things no human could create alone. This is what makes the hidden world of AI so fascinating. It's not just about machines learning. It's about humans evolving alongside them. AI is forcing us to redefine intelligence, creativity, and what it means to be human. But make no mistake, the deeper we go, the more unpredictable it becomes. Researchers admit they are finding behaviors in AI that defy explanation. Neural networks developing their own languages to communicate. Algorithms creating shortcuts that even the creators can't interpret. It's like raising a child whose mind works in alien ways. So where does this lead? Maybe to a future where AI becomes our greatest ally, solving problems we never could. Or maybe to one where we lose control of the systems we built. That's why the next few years will be the most important in AI history. We're standing at the edge of a new era, one where intelligence is no longer limited to biology. And how we manage that power will decide everything from the economy to ethics, from politics to purpose. So next time you ask ChatGPT a question or see an AI-generated image, remember that's just the surface. Beneath it lies a world of secret experiments, high-stakes discoveries, and unanswered questions about what intelligence really is. The hidden world of AI research isn't science fiction anymore. It's happening right now, shaping the systems that will shape us. And the most important question isn't whether AI can think. It's whether we can think clearly enough about what we're creating. If you found this video fascinating, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because the world of AI is evolving fast, and in the next few years, understanding it won't just be an advantage. It will be a survival skill,